Hey Adventure Gang, we are at Bergeron Falls Trail just outside of Tumbler Ridge, BC. We're going to go hit the falls and see if we can get some cool drone footage. All right guys, check you on the trail. Gotta start it. No, I'm out of SD card space.
Are we there yet? Bergeron Falls.
Hey Adventure Gang, we just made it to the top of Bergeron Falls, just outside of Tumbler Ridge. Hike was really good, about 4.5 kilometers of trail to get here. The first little bit of the trail, you gain a fair bit of altitude, I think about 600 meters you gain, and the rest of it is pretty smooth after that. Jessica, what did you think?
It's absolutely beautiful. I was a bit nervous about it at first, but the reward is definitely worth it in the end.
Awesome guys, well, we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.